my house, play the music too loud, show them how
we don't have to go out. Welcome.
So anyways, this is our new house. It's not a new house, but it's new to us. So, yes, that's the front door. Wow. This the garage door. This the living room.
Oh, I got it.
Like this. Like this.
Ah.
This is the ugly green wall that I'm going to paint. Probably blue to match my new couches that are coming. They're on their way. This is the kids' play area. This is the kids. Yay. Baby Ricky, me so handsome. And Ray Ray. Say hi, Ray.
Alright.
So, yeah, we don't eat at like a dining room table, so we're not gonna do a dining room table. This is the bedroom. We just got home, so it's kind of like, used. This is what them things? Linen closet. This is our closet that we share. All Ricky's shoe boxes. These are bathrooms.
You got shoes too. Look at all these shoes. Don't do me. Look at all these shoes.
Those are
purses and all that. Don't do me, boo boo. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, Rain. Little commercial break.
Mommy time.
You just want some juice?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Just cleverly came in right on time. You heard your cue or something? Okay. Okay. Juice break. Juice.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
All right, you're so nice. Oh.
So this is our bathroom. I want to get a new vanity situation.
Already here first.
Measured it yesterday.
Wow.
So it's 48. So yeah, there's that.
Yeah.
This is our tub. Yeah, we're throwing that plan away. That doesn't belong to us. And then there's a shower over here.
You can open it.
We're gonna change this shower thing to make it new and nicer and more our style, I should say. It's not nice, it's just not our style. And that's the toilet. And I'm taking that thing off the wall. But yeah, that's that. And then he's trying to make a break for it.
Oh, hey. Look at you, big guy. I'll take that from you.
Hey, Baba. So
All right. Good job, man.
And so we're gonna put quotes on this wall and stuff,
Over there.
like inspirational quotes in our giant J for Jones.
You might have to get a DKU in there too
Oh, I don't know.
when the time comes.
This is our closet.
When we hit
keep
1,000 subscribers.
Cleaning supplies. This is our kitchen. So this is my Wonderland where I'll be making
You want to hit
all
the
my.
lights? Let's hit the lights. Can you hit the lights?
Oh. So this is my kitchen. Where I'll be doing my cooking videos. We're getting new countertops, so until then we have cardboard countertops, because these are, there's 2 layers right there.
Yeah. So I really didn't like these. Ah, gross.
So if you're wondering, like, if you can't see a good look of it, just think about if you go in your backyard and pick up a bunch of rocks and decide to make it into a countertop.
Yep.
Desiree, that's a shout out to you. So this is our stove, microwave. We got a new dishwasher.
Shout out to G, put it together.
Yes, my brother put in my dishwasher. He's awesome. I have a ton of cabinets. We have a cabinet person coming on Saturday
Interesting.
to see
Finally got all this new stuff.
what's going to happen. Well, you knew he was coming. Definitely something's going to happen with the drawers. Maybe we'll keep the cabinets. We just got to see what the numbers look like, what the situation looks like.
Because everything got a cost.
Right. And I'll still be trying hot date night. This is not going to work out for me. I've already been looking online at peel and stick backsplashes and reviews and options, because with these white walls and these off-white tiles,
Bisque. It's color.
that's level 1. Anybody that been to Home Shop know that means level 1. So anyways,
Appliances, the start of them.
oh yeah, some of my appliances, not a lot, but just 2. Just this one, my instant pot, and then my I had to clean my crock pot. I was cooking with that. I made some chicken with barbecue sauce.
Didn't film it. It's okay, because it was quick.
Yeah. This is our other seating area. I guess our family room, you call it. We're gonna put bar stools right there. We already have like the ones that we used to have, and yeah, that's what this room is. We're changing this light out. We're changing out the lights and the ceiling fans, and so we have a ceiling fan that's gonna go here and in the front room, and
the paint. We didn't finish it. It's gonna be finished tomorrow.
yes, because my husband got a ladder.
Yep. So don't think we're sketchy. We will complete the job. Oh, there's Ree. Oh, okay.
She's going to wash her hands.
Yep, cameo.
So this is our backyard. So it's our backyard. We have a massive tree. We trimmed the limbs so that we could see the yard. So it's under deep, massive construction, as you can see. So yeah, can't wait for you guys to see what this transformation ends up being. It's a large yard, and we're excited. And eventually, we're gonna probably extend this deck around the tree and have like a really pretty, like, I love like parties, so I'm just thinking about what my party situation is gonna be, as it pertains to like outside and inside. And you can go out this door, and then there's another door, boop, right there, so you can like circulate the party, you know. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, so that's the outside.
Oh, hey, Rain. How you doing? Oh, Rain's on the run. All right, see you later.
So now let's go to Rain's room. Rain, you want to show them your room?
Come on.
All right, let's go. Okay, you gotta lead the way. All right. Check it out. Ta-da! This is Rain's room.
And this is baby room.
This is baby's bed and Rain's bed.
That's my clothes.
Those are your clothes.
Oh, what's in here?
What's in here?
Hey.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
what's in
okay. You got a closet.
closet? Wait, ain't open.
You have nothing in your closet yet.
Yes.
Just some blankets.
Blankets.
Yeah.
And this is my bag.
Yeah.
For baby for school.
Oh, you have 2 book bags already. Haven't been to class yet.
That's right.
Okay.
That's weird. I take this stuff home. And a one. And some toys. Whoa. Some toys.
Okay.
And some water now.
Okay.
So,
Record, save,
Okay,
and
that's your
play
clothes. You
with the
don't have to go
Moana
in.
Digital Recording Studio.
the
Download up to 10 songs from your MP3 player.
Okay. Thank you.
And,
Oh, there's more?
and this is a phone because I reached.
Yeah, baby toys
This is
that
my,
we should get out of here.
this is my toy.
Thank you for showing me that, Rain.
They play with them.
That's okay. We won't play with it tonight. All right. Thank you so much, Rain.
No, we're not done.
Oh, we're not done? There's more?
No.
Oh, now you want to open the drawers. Oh.
This. Wait, let me open this.
Oh.
So this is close. Let me go.
All right. Oh, thank you so much, Rain.
In the right.
Oh.
And this is
That's, no, whoa. Hey, whoa. Those are brothers' things.
Oh,
Those is bibs. Yeah. Thank you so much, Rain.
This
We're
is,
going to exit your room now.
this is mine.
All right. Thank you,
Okay,
Rain.
Rain. Thank you.
You're so awesome.
Could you put on your pants so we can get ready to go to church?
Yay.
Okay, go ahead. Put your pants on. So this is
Why you
the.
put that bar up?
I did not. This is the kids' bathroom. And we're going to be changing that tub.
You seen it before.
And this is
Probably do something with this
This
vent.
is my bathroom too.
Okay, yes, Rain's bathroom. And so she put her vacuum in here. Just I guess she's vacuuming sometimes. I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. This, oh Jesus, it's a spider.
We just had the pest guy come out. So all the critters are coming out now. Let's see if she can get it. Ooh, first swing. Trash is over there, kid. It's a whole trash can. Good job. Might have to do a replay on that one. Let's see if she can get it. Ooh.
All right. Ew. So this is the third bedroom. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is the third bedroom, and Ricky said it's gonna be like one of our like studio rooms. So we're gonna paint this room black, actually. Even though it's probably not good for like lighting, but anyways, we both like black. We said we're gonna paint it black, so we'll see what happens. And yeah, I'll probably do like some of my craft stuff in here. We'll do studio stuff in here. It's storage in here right now. But we're still finishing getting like settled in. We just moved in last week, and then we had a conference this week, so our time has been very limited. But we're so excited. No, you need to put on a long sleeve shirt if you're getting in a bouncy. A long sleeve shirt. Thank you, Princess. A long sleeve shirt. So, brief intermission. Oh, shoot.
Bye bye.
So,
Bye bye.
yeah, so that's our home. It's a 2-car garage.
Bye bye.
We're so excited to be closer to our church. We spend a lot of time there. And we look forward to making great memories with our friends and stuff here. And we're really looking forward to making this place our own with like countertops and cabinets and vanities and light fixtures and I don't know, more paint and couches and whatever else stuff people put in homes to make it their own. So, don't keep up with the Joneses.
Bye bye. Bye bye.